Hey guys, today I'm going to take you through a prone lateral raise drop set. So for our prone lateral raises, what we're going to do is we're going to get a bench that's pretty much almost all the way up. From here, we're going to do our regular lateral raise. So again, you want to be in that scapular plane. You want your arms just a little bit in front of your body, a soft elbow, nice little bend there, coming out to the side. You want to imagine going out as far as you can, then up, leading with your shoulders. So the whole point of putting your chest on this bench is to help just take out the momentum. Obviously, up here, you can go up, you can use a little bit of momentum to get those weights up. This takes it all out. And when we incorporate the drop set, oh boy, you guys will be feeling like those 5 pounds are going to be 100 pounds. So from here, what we're going to do, let's say we have 10. We have sets of 10. So here, we're going to go ahead, chest against the bench, coming out, doing our lateral raise. So we're going to do 10 here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. From here, as quick as we can, go ahead, switch to the next lower increment weight, and we're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And again, drop it quick as we can. Next incremental weight. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And that is a drop set times 2. So you could do a drop set times 1 and only go down 1 incremental weight. I did times 2 and went down 2 times. But dude, that burns. That burns. If you want a nice little pump, end off on your last set of your laterals, great, highly, highly recommend. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.